Is the U.S. going to expand its sanctions of oligarchs, or did what we had today, is that the last of U.S. sanctions?
We will do more, assuming the Russian Federation continues to escalate. And we have seen no indication at this point that the Russian Federation is prepared to do otherwise.
In the peace talks or potentially in the conflict?
What I will say generally about Belarus is that they and President Lukashenko have allowed President Putin to make a mockery of Belarus's independence, of its purported sovereignty. That has been the case for some time now, as Russian forces have flooded in to Belarus, as Russian forces have staged inside what should be sovereign Belarusian territory to undertake premeditated, unjustified, unprovoked attack and invasion against a third country. All the while, the regime continues to brutally repress the democratic aspirations of the people of Belarus. It has, as I said before, become increasingly subservient to Russia, demonstrating again President Lukashenko's willingness to act against the interests of his own people in order to curry favor with Moscow and to stay in power.
That they'd have another round in a few days. Just do you have a response to that?
The fact is that no responsible country around the world can be neutral when it comes to Russia's unprovoked, unjustified, needless invasion of Ukraine. And we've seen any number of countries demonstrate very clearly, very vividly, that they are standing on the side of Ukraine, they're standing on the side of the rules-based international order.